This innovative use of terrazzo begins with 4 classic colors. 3 distinct areas of this new hotel were completed, each with its own character. The richly textured marble aggregate mix in the reception area included 25 to 30% of number 3 chips and 5% of number 4. The architect decided the spacing for the brass ring pattern in the lobby the day before the work began. The most difficult part of the job was drawing the 500 square foot grid for placement of the 8,000 rings. Each 2-inch diameter ring was cut from a tube and set by hand in the floor. While the background epoxy was poured, the tubes were filled with a hard sponge material. The sponges were then removed, and each ring was filled with epoxy terrazzo. The ring pattern required high-level mechanical skills and unflagging attention to detail. The pattern continues into the elevator cabs with pre-cast terrazzo. The 2,800 square foot project included restrooms in a simple pattern. This well-executed creative installation was completed in 20 days. For their accomplishment in the Ibis Styles Hotel in the center of Bucharest, Romania, this honor award goes to Aragon.